Good morning, guys. Friday morning, 11 February 2022. Just to show some babies. They hatch only one babies. Like a mom and dad blue bar. From a special big blue cock. That's only one. He's 13 years old. I got only one first round. Still good. A bit less. Start feeding. Oh, that's a cock. God. A good flyer. Really is good. Come on, boy. Oops. Must be like a daddy. Here. I just said before 11 pairs, but even 10 pairs I go right now. Best one. Let's start from that's a mauler. I hatch one. Oh. Nearly, not yet, but he's going to go to One Loft Race, UK. Five birds, like last year. And these two birds, they're gonna go to One Loft Race. another 2, so 5 birds for 2022. Come in a blue-white fly, like a mama. The father is a Herman, and mama it's a Van Loo and a Steve Lemberg. Another 2 blue bars. And I had an accident with that. First round was empty eggs, second round by mistake I dropped it. Well, now that's a long distance pigeons. They are small. One is like a mom and dad dark checker. Yeah, 5 they're gonna go, so I got 2, 4 in this section. 4 and 4 here, 8 babies first round. I don't want to breed more than 15, max 20 babies this year. He's keeping warm. Really is a good cow. Good bird. Let's keep a bit in the flow. Here, I wanted to pair it 1st of March, but I pair it 1st of February because I'm not gonna keep the babies. I'm going to throw it away, the eggs. Some they start lying. Only 1 pair I'm gonna keep it. The eggs and whatever babies. Got 2. Looks empty, this. He's nice hen, sprint hen. I don't know, just yesterday or day before, laying a second egg. yeah, this pair, I'm going to keep these eggs. The cock is Derek Vanderbilt and hen is Lee and Herman. So I'm gonna keep both. They are blue, the very calm pair. He did well last year, this cock bird. He's very quiet and very clever, very smart bird. I'm going to keep the 2 babies from him. Yeah, she's a long distance bird. Small eggs, like the usual. Long distance pigeon, they have to lie in small eggs. She's nice, huh? You see, could I pull her balls? They wanted to lie over there, I think, the pair or whatever. I let them to pair it wherever they choose in the hands, cocks, wherever. Only one pair I just paired for myself. Come on, come. Pigeons, they are healthy. I'm going to vaccine, I don't know, next end of this month, and tablets for Kanga to prepare for raising in April. Always I use tablets for Kanga and worms. I never use any water. Come on, boy. Come. Yeah, I got one bastard cock bird. He's got 3 boxes and 3 hens. I got that hen, 2nd and 3rd up here. I don't care. I would like, maybe I'll keep 1 baby or 2 from her. She's a sprint pigeon, Steve Lemberg. going to feed soon. I just clean it. I'm feeding the breeders. And some extra sunflowers, peanuts. This food is just for breeders, for babies. For stock hens and for raising. Alright guys, all the best. Bye bye.